Hi, it's Alex here. Welcome back to Easy English. Today we're talking about something really important: common mistakes adult English learners make and easy fixes. If you make these mistakes, relax. It's totally normal. I hear them all the time from my students, and they're actually very easy to fix. All right, let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. I have 30 years. Many learners say, I have 30 years. This is a direct translation from other languages. But in English, we don't have years. We are years old. The easy fix: I am 30 years old. I'm 30. More examples. I'm 25. She's 42. They're 19. So next time, instead of I have 30 years, say I'm 30. Mistake number 2. I am agree. Another very common one is I am agree. In English, agree is a verb, not an adjective. So we don't say I am agree. We just say, the easy fix: I agree. I don't agree. I completely agree with you. For example, I agree with my manager. I don't agree with that decision. So remember, no am here, just I agree. Mistake number 3. I didn't went. You might hear people say, I didn't went to the meeting. I didn't saw the email. In English, after didn't, we always use the base form of the verb. The easy fix: I didn't go to the meeting. I didn't see the email. I didn't have time. So, didn't plus base verb: didn't go, didn't see, didn't talk, didn't finish. Try this. Think of one sentence with didn't and say it in your head now using the base verb. Mistake number 4. I am working here since 2020. This one is super common, especially at work. People say, I am working here since 2020. But with since and a specific time, in English we usually use present perfect. The easy fix: I have worked here since 2020. I've been working here since 2020. Both are okay in everyday English. More examples. I've lived in London since 2018. She has worked in HR since last year. We've known each other since college. So, since plus a time, have, has plus past participle, or have, has been plus ing. Mistake number 5. I look forward to meet you. In emails, I often see, I look forward to meet you. I look forward to see you soon. After look forward to, we need a noun or a verb plus ing. The easy fix: I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to working with you. These are very common in professional emails. So, remember, look forward to plus verb ing, not the base verb. Mistake number 6. Overusing very. Many learners use very for everything. Very good, very big, very bad. It's not wrong, but it can sound repetitive, especially in workplace English. The easy fix: use stronger, more natural words. Very good, excellent. Very bad, terrible. Very big, huge. Very small, tiny. Very important, crucial, or essential. For example, in a meeting you can say, this is a crucial point. That's an excellent idea. It sounds more confident and professional. All right, those were some of the most common mistakes I hear from adult learners, especially at work. Don't worry if you make them. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to notice them and get a little better each day. Here's what you can do now. 1. Pick one of these mistakes. 2. Say 3 correct sentences out loud using the fix. 3. Try to use one of them in a real conversation or in an email today. The more you practice, the more natural your English will feel. If this was helpful and you want more English tips, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for listening. I'm Alex, and I'll talk to you in the next one.